I have to introduce you to such a good thing. So I'm back in Pilates and I'm wearing my little tops. And in Pilates, you know, your arms are up and you're doing all these things. And I started to notice how many people, including myself, have little red bumps and discoloration under the arm. And it made me think, like, we use skincare on our face to get rid of discoloration and bumps and redness. Why couldn't you use that under your arms? So all the while I'm thinking I'm so smart and I'm so innovative and I'm going to create some concoction that's going to lighten, brighten, and get rid of red bumps. Meanwhile, it exists already. You get it at Target. It's by Salt Air. It is the 5% AHA serum deodorant. So this one has mandelic acid, lactic acid. Those are exactly what you would use on your face to lighten, brighten, and get rid of bumps. It's going to help to get rid of any irritation, ingrown hairs. Comes in 2 different scents. I love the one I got. It's called Pink Beach. There was also a Centel one, so a little more musky, sort of, you know, rooted, earthy smelling. They're excellent. I've already noticed a difference. Look how smooth and clear. I mean, the truth is you're putting on your deodorant every single day anyway, so why not use a treatment deodorant that's going to lighten, brighten, and give you really, really smooth underarms, especially if you're someone who really suffers and get the ingrown hairs. Lactic acid will completely release that, so highly recommend. Also, you should definitely hit follow. I'm that girl that goes down the rabbit hole for you. I'll find all the good stuff for both of us.